Dear foodies and health seekers, are you tired of spending your hard-earned money on medical bills? Have you been searching for a way to boost your immunity and live a healthier life? Look no further. Vibrant Plate Cuisine is your plug to optimize your wellness journey. We plan and cook functional meals that gives you the vitality and energy that you need to go through the hustling and bustling of each day. What you eat literally becomes you. You have a choice of who you are made of. And our mission is to support you make those choices so that what you eat does not eat you up. Are you in the diaspora, miles away from home, and missing out on the flavors and delicacies you grew up with? No worries, check out on our delicious dishes that bring the taste of home right to your table. Are you frustrated at meal times with picky eaters that won't eat their grains? Our sneaky chef consorts have got your back. We make meals nutrient dense and cleverly sneak in a rainbow of fruits and veggies, and they won't notice a thing until they have finished eating it. How about that? Are you giving up on your weight management plan because you are seeing no result? Ditch those high-intensity workouts. Our eating plan, combined with our herbal teas, is just what you need to get those pounds melting away. As a busy professional or entrepreneur, I understand you want to eat healthy, but you don't have the luxury of time in your hands. Our quick and easy meal ideas will save you time and energy, ensuring that you eat healthily even on the busiest days. Our meals are easy to prepare and we provide step-by-step instructions. And our stem cells herbal remedies are just a click away to order online, making your life easy.
I want to live soft life.
With Vibrant Plate Cuisine, you are not just eating food, you are investing in your health. And you know what they say? Health is wealth, and it's your best asset that you need in life. Our program is designed to be your ultimate solution to a stronger immune system and a healthier life. So, say goodbye to expensive medical bills and hello to a vibrant, stronger you. Are you ready to join us on this journey? Subscribe to our channel or simply WhatsApp us on the link below. And let's make healthy living a wonderful adventure.